Get ready for the ultimate tech upgrade, the Nothing Phone 2, featuring iPhone 14's revolutionary new features. After much anticipation and speculation, the official announcement has been made, confirming that the highly awaited release of the Nothing Phone 2 is set to take place this summer, with the launch scheduled to take place on a global scale. The excitement surrounding this groundbreaking device has been steadily building in recent months. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge features and impressive functionality, the Nothing Phone 2 is sure to exceed all expectations. Flipkart's listing too has assured that Nothing Phone 2 is set to hit the Indian markets soon. The company has shared a close-up look of the Nothing Phone 2, revealing the glyph interface design and a changed look for the video recording red indicator. Apart from these, the rest of the details are under wraps so far. However, thanks to updates from various tech analysts, you can get an idea of what the Nothing Phone 2 may actually pack. As per tech analyst Sunay Gorkhede, one of these interesting Nothing Phone 2 features that users may get is the iPhone 14's satellite connectivity. On iPhone 14, you can share your location via satellite when you're out of cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. Now, the Nothing Phone 2 is also expected to boost the same cutting-edge satellite location sharing feature as the iPhone 14. This new feature represents a major leap forward in terms of location tracking and real-time communication, and has been eagerly awaited by those who rely on their mobile devices for navigation and communication in remote or low-coverage areas. Moreover, leakster Ben Gaskin shared a render of the Nothing Phone, which reveals that the design remains almost unchanged, with only a slight alteration in the placement of the LEDs. Though believing the leaked features, it'll get a triple camera system at the back. Hence, it may get the iPhone XS-like vertical camera module to house the 3 camera lenses, as a 91 Mobiles report suggested. Here are some of the expected specs and features of the Nothing Phone 2. Nothing Phone 2 is tipped to feature a flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset coupled with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Nothing Phone 2 is expected to get a 6.55 FHD Plus AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, it will have an in-display fingerprint sensor just like its predecessor. It will come with Android 13 and Nothing OS 1.5 out of the box. In one of the biggest upgrades, Nothing Phone 2 is tipped to pack a 5000 mAh battery instead of Phone 1's 4500 mAh battery. One area that remains shrouded in mystery is the device's camera capabilities. Nothing Phone 1 features dual 50-megapixel rear cameras and a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. However, nothing is expected to overcome the limitations of the previous model's camera performance. It will also feature stereo speakers and a dual mic system along with wireless charging. To meet the demands of modern consumers, the latest generation of smartphones and other mobile devices are equipped with a wide range of connectivity options. These are designed to keep users connected no matter where they may be. The Nothing Phone 2 is no exception, boasting a comprehensive suite of connectivity features that include NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and 5G. Whether you're an avid traveler, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who values staying connected no matter what, the Nothing Phone 2 is shaping up to be a must-have device for tech-savvy consumers everywhere. Whether you need to make a quick payment using your device, stream high-quality video content, or stay connected to the internet while traveling in remote or low-coverage areas, the Nothing Phone 2 has you covered. So mark your calendars and get ready to experience the future of mobile technology like never before.